Well, I've been driving machines for the last 30 years, and I got the opportunity about 15 years ago to drive high reach. It's just a challenge of bringing a machine, a building down safely with a machine. No accidents, and safely you can get it down, no damage to anything. So that's just a challenge more than anything. Job satisfaction, if you like. You start on the roof, obviously, and then you work back as far as you can see, physically see. Then you come down to the next floor and you cut that one back as far as you can see. And then you go back to the roof and start again on the roof. You probably work 3 or 4 floors at the same time until you've took the roof off, and then you just come down the floors like stepping it all the time.